Hi dear friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today I am very excited. I received these samples from AliExpress and I'm really excited to share them with you. I got 3 items. This one is pigment and it's ink that you can use with resin or to color some jewelry items. But basically I'm gonna need it for resin. All this other stuff is one package. It comes all together. I think it's a great deal because it comes with like these dry flowers. It comes with the resin that you mix so you can design with resin. It comes with this and this is powder. It comes with these pigments. I also come with these and this is like a type of glitter, but it's like it comes like in paper, but it dissolves. It comes with this color gold, and it also comes on this color silver. And all this you utilize to add details to the item that you are going to be creating with resin. This is pigment, but this is powder. This is another pigment color white. It comes with these like little gloves. I don't know what the name is to protect your fingers. It comes with the stirring sticks, and it comes with these plastics that you can, I think you can get the resin. Also, it comes with this cup to measure your resin. It brings these already made necklaces, so they're really soft and they are really sharp looking. The quality looks good. I had to test it to see if the clasp tarnish. It has with this little fan. This it comes in different designs. Are really cool. And like I said, all these item is to be applying into your resin when you are creating your designs. Also has this other cup, and all these cups I'm assuming is for therefore to measuring your resin and to pour it so you don't make a big mess. It comes with a lot of molds. This is more like this is called pigment. It's powder. Let's go into the molds right now. They're silicone molds, and it has with a lot. It comes with a lot of variety. It has one more pigment right here. It comes with tweezers. We're gonna open the silicone mold so you can see them. I think this is a really great deal. The link is going to be in the description box. So as you can see, these are all molds to make necklaces. And if you can see this pigment, how it gets dissolved, the one that was in one of the bottles. So it's for these 2 bottles, and as you can see, it dissolves. These other molds are this different. So now, okay, so in this next package, we have this kit that it comes with gemstones. It has 2 different types of elastic. It comes with the little scissors for you to cut, a needle, So as you can see, they look great. They're perfectly round, they are not damaged, which is a really concern for me. Here is the needle. This is the first type of elastic, and this is clear. It comes with these charms, the scissors, so you can cut your elastic, and it comes with this white elastic as well. So all this comes together as one kit. I'm going to show you how the charms look. They look really cool.